Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching classes, Divine Public School, Monapur, Gorakhpur. Today, in this video, we are going to study English Supplementary Footprints Without Feet, Chapter 8, The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. Students, before going to the next slide, let us know about the author of this beautiful story. Harry Sinclair Lewis was a famous American novelist, short story writer, and playwright. He was the first writer from the United States to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his vigorous and graphic art of description. He created his characters with wit and humor. His first book, Hike and the Aeroplane, was published in 1912 under the pseudonym, that means pen name or pet name, Tom Graham. He was born on that means February 7th, 1885 in Minnesota, USA. Now, let's know about the theme of the story. The hack driver is the story of a very cunning manipulator, Bill Oliver Lutkins. It also shows that appearances are often deceptive. Once the narrator, a junior clerk in a law firm, had to go to New Mullion to serve a summon to Oliver Lutkins. There he met Bill. Bill is himself Oliver Lutkins, the hack driver. When the narrator asked about Oliver Lutkins, Bill took him to Fritz, who replied that Oliver had been there a little while ago. Bill, who was Oliver Lutkins himself, made a plan to befool the narrator. In a very friendly but subtle way, Bill manipulated the tour, taking the lawyer around the village. He arranged meetings with Fritz, Gustav's shop owner, a barber, etc. Then Bill took him to Oliver Lutkins' mother, who was a terrible, huge woman who threatened to beat them. At last, he returned disappointed. He couldn't trace Oliver Lutkins. His boss rebuked him badly and asked him to go back to New Mullion with a person who knew Lutkins. When they reached there, he found Bill and Lutkins' mother together. The man recognized Lutkins. He told that Bill no one but Lutkins himself. Now, my dear students, let's try to know the meaning of some difficult words. Hack. You should know the meaning of hack means a horse-drawn vehicle. Agreeable sight. That means pleasant sight. Unpleasant, unlikable. Summons, order, command. Witness, eyewitness. Poker, a card game in which bluff is used as players bet on the value of their cards. Now, let's begin the chapter. In this lesson, a young lawyer, a young lawyer is made to serve summons instead of practicing law. He hates his job as sometimes he is beaten up once he is directed by the law firm to serve summons to one Mr. Oliver Lutkins, who lived in a village called New Mullion. The young lawyer goes to the village with some expectations of village life, but he is disappointed. He meets a hack driver who is a very helpful man according to him. It's an amusing tale that captures the views of traditional city folk and country bumpkins. The educated lawyer, believing he is above his position, gets schooled by the country fellow who is quicker and smarter. It seemed pretty clear early on that Bill was Lutkins, but that the narrator was too blind to see it. The narrator, after working his way through law school, finds himself working in a law office that is sending him out to serve summons, which he thinks is below him or below his dignity, below his positions. He travels out by train to New Mullion to find this person. Upon arrival, he finds he needs to get around and find this person, so he talks to the first person he encounters. He says he is looking for Oliver Lutkins and hopes the man can help him. The man, Bill Magnusson, says he saw him a brief while ago and that he would be happy to drive him around to find the man. The narrator knows the man is trying to get some money out of him and he is okay with that so long as they find Lutkins. Over the course of the next few hours, Bill brings the narrator all over town where they keep missing Lutkins by a briefer periods of times. Eventually, Bill brings him to Lutkins' mother, who also spins a tale of frustration about her son. The narrator returns to the office empty handed and is sent back to the town with the help of someone who actually knows Lutkins. When they arrive in town, the narrator spots Bill with Lutkins' mother. The narrator's partner explains that Bill is, in fact, Oliver Lutkins. When the narrator solves the summons, Lutkins laughs and says that he was hoping they could go to a neighbor's for coffee since they were the only folks that missed him when he came by before. My dear students, this was all about that beautiful chapter, The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. I hope that you will watch the video and try to understand each and every things regarding these chapters, and it will be very helpful to you if you'll watch and try to grasp and infer the meaning of this beautiful story. Thank you for watching.